and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So, we are back with our grammar class. And as you remember, in the last class we had started chapter number 7, that is nouns, common and proper noun. Okay, so first we will revise it and then we will continue it. Okay, so this was your chapter, nouns, common and proper. What was the definition of it? Let's see. Okay, the name we give in general to every person, place, animal or thing is called common noun. Okay, generally जब हम किसी को कोई name देते हैं, if we call about boy, if we say girl, if we say it's a dog, so when we do not specify which girl, which boy, then it is what? It is a common noun. And when we actually say a particular person's name or a particular animal, place, thing, particular name लेते हैं, तो वो क्या होता है? That is our proper noun. Is it clear? The first exercise, that is exercise A, we have already completed. Now let's start with exercise B. Okay. Now what is exercise B? Complete the table with words from the help box. Okay, so these are all what? These are the words given and हमें क्या करना है? हमें उसे classify करना है common nouns में and proper nouns में. That is, जो words common noun है वो हम common में डाल देंगे and the ones which are proper noun, they will go in proper. Ready? Okay. Now let's start. The first one is very easy, boy. So what do you think where it will come? Boy is a common noun. Good. So I will write over here boy. Okay, C. Then what is the next one? Box. क्या है next one? Box. So box क्या हुआ? It has not been mentioned कि किस टाइप का बॉक्स, बॉक्सेस में भी टाइप्स हो सकते हैं, कोई पर्टिकुलर बॉक्स की बात हो रही हो, है ना? सो व्हाट इज इट? दिस विल ऑल्सो बी आवर कॉमन नाउन, बॉक्स. आई एम राइटिंग सी ओवर हियर. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज कैसल. व्हाट इज इट? कैसल. सो कैसल, कौन से कैसल की बात हो रही है? Is it mentioned कि कैसल का नाम क्या है? No, right? So जब नाम ही mention नहीं है, then what it will be? It will be our common noun. Okay, if you want, you can write it with me or you can wait it and you can do afterwards. This is also our common noun. Now, Buddha. What is it? Buddha. So we know that Buddha is worshipped by many people, है ना? ऐसे बहुत followers होते हैं किसके? Lord Buddha के. So Buddha is a particular person or particular name of God. तो Buddha क्या हुआ? Proper noun. Okay, I write over here. Buddha is a proper noun. Then girl. Easy. Boy was a common noun because we have not been mentioned that what is the name of the boy. So girl, girl का भी name नहीं mentioned है, so that will be your common noun. Okay, next, ताज महल. ताज महल बहुत सारे हैं क्या दुनिया में? नहीं. अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ the Taj Mahal is very beautiful, so you know exactly मैं किस particular monument की बात कर रही हूँ. Right? That is Taj Mahal. So that would be our proper noun. So I will write over here Taj Mahal. Okay? Then elephant. Now what do you think? Elephant, is it a common noun or a proper noun? क्या हमें बताया गया है कि कौन से एलिफेंट्स की बात हो रही है? right? Remember in the last class also we discussed about dog. Okay? अब dog का नाम Tommy भी हो सकता है, कुछ और भी हो सकता है. Dog has many breeds also. So dog तो हम एक commonly बोलते हैं कि there are so many dogs, right? In the same way if we talk about elephant, elephants के भी name हो सकते हैं. अगर आप कोई प्लेस पे जाओ और बहुत सारे एलिफेंट्स हैं, अगर आपको कोई पर्टिकुलर एलिफेंट्स की बात करनी है, सो यू हैव टू स्पेसिफाई कि मैं सिर्फ उस एलिफेंट्स की बात कर रहा हूँ, है ना? अगर उस एलिफेंट का कुछ नाम है तो उस नाम से बुलाओ, बट अगर हम सिर्फ बोले एलिफेंट, सो दैट इज अ कॉमन नाम. सो आई राइट जस्ट सी ओवर हियर. ओके, नाउ इन द सेम वे, सी दिस इज कॉमन. आई नो you will be able to do these. Delhi. Now Delhi is what? The name of a city. So what will it be? Proper noun. Okay. Then pencil also we have discussed. Heidi. Now Heidi is the name of a character. It is a famous character. Right? जैसे हमने पिनोकियो के बारे में पढ़ा है in English, right? We have studied about Pinocchio. In the same way, Heidi is also a name of a character and she is very famous. So this will be our proper noun. Okay, children? So this will be our proper noun. Is it clear? The remaining which I have left are the easy ones. That is your homework. Sunny, Tommy, pencil, India and school. Okay? Now, moving on. Now the different, that is the next type is compound nouns. What is it? Compound nouns. Some nouns are made up of more than one word and are called compound nouns. कुछ nouns ऐसे होते हैं जो एक वर्ड से ज़्यादा बने हुए होते हैं. That is more than one word. It has two words or more words in it and they are known as compound nouns. They may be written as one words. Two words को merge करके वो लोग एक word में भी लिख सकते हैं. For example, street light. So street also is a noun and light also is a noun. अब हमने उसको merge किया तो it will become compound noun. Okay, then conflicts. So it can be one word also, it can be separate words also. Separate words, let's see, washing powder. Now washing powder, ये word हम साथ में use करते हैं, है ना? But street light की तरह साथ में नहीं लिखते. There is a space. Okay, so ये separate words की तरह भी हम use कर सकते हैं and both are what? Nouns. So washing powder, baby tooth, all these are what? These are nouns and these are more than one word. So compound noun is what? The nouns made up of more than one word. Examples, father-in-law. अब father जो है वो noun हुआ and father-in-law ये हमने combine किए हैं words को, that is in और law को. So father-in-law का मतलब क्या होता है? Okay? Father-in-law is, in Hindi we call ससुर जी also, right? So father-in-law is also our noun. वो भी एक relation हुआ, है ना? English में जो हम words use करते हैं for relations is different as compared to Hindi. We all know that. For example, if we say chacha and chachi, okay, that we use in Hindi. But in English we call all these kind of relatives as uncle and aunt. Okay, so they will be considered as noun. So father will also be considered as noun. Father-in-law will also be considered as noun. So हमने क्या किया? हमने words को combine करके noun बना दिया. Is it clear? Now see, when we'll solve the next exercise, you'll be able to understand more. It is word play. So what is it? Form compound nouns by joining nouns in column 1 with nouns in column 2. So what we have to do, see, there is column 1, there is column 2. So हमें column 1 का word use करके column 2 के साथ merge करना है. हमें ऐसे वर्ड बनाना है कि वो सेंस भी बने, इट इज़ अ नाउन ऑल्सो, एंड वो एक प्रॉपर वर्ड भी हो, टू वर्ड्स को कंबाइन करके. ओके, नाउ लेट्स ट्राई दिस वन. सी, one has already been done in the textbook, that is the third one. Clothes line. Okay, clothes line has already been done. Now we will try the other ones. So first one is air. What is it? Air. Now air bank, is it a word? Air pool, air brush, air bus, air machine, air table, line is already done, air storm, air sight, air conditioner. Air conditioner तो हमने सुना है, right? What is it? AC. AC is known as what? Air conditioner. So it is our noun. It makes complete sense. So I'll just merge this one. Okay, if you want, no need to draw the line also. What we can do is, we'll just write over here. See, I've written one. Is it clear? Then study. Now study के साथ कौन सा word join होके sense बनेगा? Let's see. Study bank, study pool, brush, bus, machine, study table. Yes? Okay, study table. Okay, do you have a study table at home? Yes? So this is our compound noun. Understood? One more. Thunder. Thunder के साथ क्या चलेगा मैच? See, thunder bank, thunder pool, brush, thunder machine, no. Thunderstorm, yes. So thunderstorm. हमें पता है जब बारिश होती है, so there's thunderstorm. So this will be our compound noun. Is it okay? So students, I've tried four of these, and remaining you have to try it on your home. Okay? नहीं होगा तो कोई बात नहीं, हम ऑनलाइन क्लास में डिस्कस कर लेंगे, but I want try it on your own. Think about it and try it. Okay, children? So we'll meet in the next class. Till that, God bless you all. Goodbye.